Ïakhih banyo Ïakhih bishar ke bahak berkemjur berpenderam jur. Jingshah lebe jat bingshah penyap jangkwe ke doktor hakawe ke hospital sarkar Kolkata kelapur usaka jala Meghalaya. Hakaba dangshan ke Samla Pule jaka North Eastern Hill University apa ke Shatri jaka North Eastern Hill University Students Union ke lapenong ya ke candlelight vigil dan dikata jeng tangbam beti apa kampus jaka North Eastern Hill University kumkandak man penderam jur ya ke Jingshah leben jaka ni ke doktor berkemjuru mandawa babaj snot tilang begitu baru ki Ïakhih persya manyo ya kajing bishar bahok jogan dia ka doktor kisamla Pule kebetulan prat di spangut kilaya ni do Central Library syeki benta jogan NEHU hado ka office jogan North Eastern Hill University Students Union hakaba ladan ru kecengkaran de kilang nelam jong kaseng kibla pendem jor ya ka Jingshah ka bolong ka Jingshah ka pasong syirkha ya do kata makin dawaru bahkan ni ka Samla bahkan kilang yeng long sam jogan ni ka Samla ki di banyo ya kajing bishar ka bahok
Here today, our hearts heavy with grief and anger to mourn the tragic loss of a woman in this senseless act of violence. This is not just a crime, it's brutal attack on the very fabric of our society and assault on our humanity.
On the immediate friends and families of the victim. Our society seems to have made this world unfair for victims of rape, abuse and violence. The government was silent. Irresponsible celebrities turned a blind eye, while predators continued to engage in their catcallings and verbal abuse. If a humanitarian who served for the well-being of the people has been targeted and brutally raped and murdered, where is the safety? Where is the security? Where is the freedom? If the peaceful night is corrupted by monsters, can women doctors peacefully serve humanity? Can they render their passion freely, without fear, without insecurity?